things that I really love about motorcycle riding is really the freedom it brings. You get the air in your face. I think it brings a sense of serenity. Indian engines are built in Osceola, Wisconsin. It's an intricate part of a vehicle. We assemble with a ton of pride and craftsmanship and honor for what we do here for Indian.
Every person that turned a wrench or lifted apart or machined metal, they look like someone took time and effort and painstakingly put that engine together so that it was perfect. Just because something's hard doesn't mean you don't do it. I think Indian motorcycle engines are special because of their connection to their past. You can tell where they came from, you can tell the roots.
I've got a lot of passion. It'll make the hair on the back of my neck stand up when I stand here and talk about it. Knowing that we are the actual heartbeat of that vehicle brings a lot of pride in personal ownership. And there are a bunch of riders here in Osceola, and they bring a lot of pride just because they are riders.
I've been here since day one that Indian line started. That's the main part of the bike as far as I'm concerned. That's what makes it go. I've been riding motorcycles and dirt bikes for about 40 years. And the things I love about motorcycle riding is just being on two wheels and feeling free.
We love our engines that we build here, and we take a lot of pride in each and every one of those engines that we put together. Best part about working for Indian Motorcycle is riding the brand. I just love to be able to put my leg over a seat, get on, fire the bike, listen to it roar, and let it go.